already prepared in case of the zombie apocalypse. So this is what you can make to protect yourself from the zombie apocalypse. This is zombie disinfectant too. You can also protect yourself from zombies with this. This also deteriorates zombies and it sends them away. Oh yes, they don't like nice scents. So that's how you protect yourself from zombies as well. You can use this as well to kill off zombies. It could also be used to detect zombies. You can use it as a protector from zombies. Also, your dog can protect you. Let's get back into reality. This wasn't that hard to make. I used scissors and I used old material and old socks I didn't use that had holes in them. I thought instead of throwing them out, it would have been better. See this? This is the material you need to make these scented discs, and this is what they look like in the finishing product. You can make them anyways, but I made them this way, and I didn't have glue this time. But what I did is I dipped them in the scent that I want. Some of them have the scent of lavender. I like them. I'm going to make a new pack today. Yes, these are important to me. I think their essential oils are very important to me. They mean a lot to me, and I like the smells of lavender as well. So I use lavender for these. These are called scented disc.